Good morning, students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Daboli, Surat. Standard 7, Subject Mathematics. Chapter number 4, Simple Equation. Exercise 4.3. Question number C. Minus 16 is equal to minus 5 in the bracket 2 minus p. In this example, we have to find the value of p after solving this equation. Okay, so first step is remove the terms which with the p. We have to remove the terms which is in the relation with the p. First of all, we open the bracket of this minus 5 in the bracket 2 minus p. So after opening that, 5 multiplied by 2, that is minus 10, because 5 2s are minus 10. After that, 5 in the multiplication phi, but 5 is minus 5, so minus 5 multiplication with p, that is a minus 5p. So minus minus plus 5p. Then after 5 2s are 10, so minus 10 plus 5p. So minus 16 is equal to minus 10 plus 5t. Minus 16 is equal to minus 10 plus 5 into p. So 16 minus, let's we put minus 10 plus 5p. We change the sides. So here in this step they change the side over here. So left hand side is right hand side and right hand side is converting into left hand side. Let's we put the 5p at the left hand side. Then after minus 16, we transfers the minus 10 at the right hand side. So here minus 10 is minus, so after transversing at the right hand side, we can got the plus 10. So after that, minus 5p is equal to minus 16 plus 10 over here. So minus 16 plus 10, that is a minus 6, because we have to put the sign of the bigger term. Here bigger term is minus 16, so minus 16 plus 10, that is a minus 6. So 5p is equal to minus 6. So p is equal to minus 6 upon 5. Then after next example, d is equal to 10 is equal to 4 plus 3 in the bracket t plus 2. So 10 minus 4, 10 minus 4, that is a 6, and 3 multiplication with t, that is a 3t. Otherwise you can simplify this step also in this way. 10 minus 4, that is a 6, and 6 upon 3, that is a 2. So 2 is equal to t plus 2. So 2 is equal to t plus 2 over here. So 2 minus 2, that is 0. 0 is equal to t. So t is equal to 0. 28 is equal to 4 plus 3 in the bracket t plus 5 over here. So 28, so 28 minus 4, that is a 3. So 3 in the bracket t plus 5 over here. So here you can see that 24 upon 3 is equal to t plus 5. So 8 3s are 24. So we can cut here. So 8 is equal to t plus 5. So 8 minus 5, I transfers 5 at the right hand side to left hand side. So 8 minus 5, here only sign is changed. So 8 minus 5, that is a t. So t is equal to 3. So here we can got t is equal to 3 over here. Then after next, 0 is equal to 16 plus 4. So 0 is equal to 16 plus 4. we transfers the 16 at the left hand side. So 0 minus 16 is equal to 4 in the bracket m minus 6 over here. So minus 16 is equal to 4m minus 6 4 is 24 over here. Okay, in this way we can find the solution. So 16 upon 4, that is a 4. 16 upon 4, that is a 4, and after that 2 is equal to m. Because here I not give a simplification, that is in your homework, I directly put the answer m is equal to 2 over here. Okay, so try it in your homework. Then after question number 4, in the question number 4, construct 3 equations starting with x is equal to 2 and construct 3 equations starting with x is equal to minus 2. So 3 equations starting with x is equal to 2, multiplying both sides by 10. So here first of all we have to construct equation starting with x is equal to 2. So we know that x is equal to 2 is our basic equation, and we have to construct with the help of multiplication with 10. So here we can say that 10x is equal to 20, that is our equation. So 10x plus 2, that is 20 plus 2. So 10x plus 2 is equal to 22 over here. So in this way you can make any equation. Here just they multiply 10 at the both side, and here they adding 2 at the both side. Okay, nothing else. So here 10x is equal to 20 and 10x plus 2 is equal to 22 over here. Then after next x is equal to 2. For the x is equal to 2, you can say that 5x is equal to 10. Then after 5x minus 3, that is equal to 10x minus 3. So 5x is equal to 5x minus 3 is equal to 7 over here. That is a 3 equation. First of all is 5x is equal to 10. Then 5x minus 3 is equal to 7 over here. X is equal to 2. For that you can divide also, you can multiply also. Just we take we multiply with 3. Okay, so that is a x multiplication with 3, and then the 2 multiplication with 3. So 3x is our new equation into multiplication with 6. So 3x is equal to 6. I just multiply 3 at the both side of the equation, nothing else. Okay, next 3 equations starting with x is equal to 2, that is in your homework. So try this in your homework. Okay, let's we take one from that. Here just I take x is equal to minus 2 for that. So x is equal to minus 2, multiply both side with the by 3. Okay, so 3x is equal to 6. Here just I multiplied with x with 3 and minus 2 with 3. So 3x is equal to minus 6, and here 3x is equal to minus 6 at the both side. So here you can find the equation 3x is equal to minus 6. After that adding 7 at the both side. Okay, so to this equation you have to adding 3x plus 7 at the, you have to add 7 at the one side is equal to minus 6 plus 7 at another side. So 3x plus 7 is equal to minus 6 plus 7. So 3x plus 7 is equal to 1. The next example, x is equal to minus 2, that is in your homework. Okay, so try that in your homework, and first of all you have to multiply that, and after that you have to adding 10 at the both side. Okay, thank you so much.